Right, hello. I would like to speak about future content of this course now. And future content for this course, it's not something I'm going to do very soon. I'm pretty much done with the goal I had because I recently learned about Disco bots. I'm comfortable with programming and I've done a lot of Node.js. So for me to program these bots, it wasn't really hard. I just had to watch a tutorial and then when the bot actually used the message object and I wrote a message, I thought like, okay, so I have bot now that works. And then I progressed and I realized that if I want to do something, I should console log the object because everything is about objects in programming. So when I actually did the console log the object and I read the properties, I realized that there's a lot I could do. And when you understand reading the object, it's easy to understand reading the documentation. So by doing that for a couple of weeks, I pretty much learned a lot about creating bots. So it's kind of fun that I had been programming Discord bots for a week and then I create the course. And hopefully the course is good enough for you to learn about objects because that's what I want to do. I want you to learn about objects and basic programming stuff. So future content. I don't actually think I'm going to do something very soon. And to answer like the future content question after that is basically that I'm not really going to add much to this course because I don't think I'm going to develop much more Discord bots. I might develop some, but it's not like I'm going to update this course with it. In that case, I will probably create a new course and actually create a course that costs money because this course is free. And the next course is going to be more advanced in that case. So that's about future content. And of course, if some code is broken and students complain about something, I'm going to fix that. So there's really only one lecture left, and that's what's next. And that's going to be something for you.